Hi everybody, it's that time of year that we need to start talking about Section 179. If you do not know about that, then call us and we can send you information or talk to your accountant. But the 179 allows you to write off 100% depreciation that first initial year, which is a huge tax incentive. Hopefully everybody has done well this year and needs the tax breaks. But 179 is the biggest thing in the last few years for taxes, especially on commercial vehicles. Anything over 6,000 pounds will qualify for business, and that write-off, like I said, contact us. Now is the time. We're heading into Halloween, and then after that, things become much more scarce. With COVID-19 this year, all inventories are down. We've done a great job to try to procure some inventory for you guys to the end of the year. Right now, we've got over 20 to 25 chassis in stock as we speak at the end of October. We've also got enclosed utilities. We've got probably 10 to 15 of those that should be here by the end of the year. We've got flatbeds, we've got dump trucks, other medium duties already are ready to be upfitted. We do have box vans. And we've also got over 20 cargo vans with much more coming by the end of the year. And we are the commercial experts here in Cincinnati and the Tri-State. Give us a call. Like I said, we'd love to forward you the information about the 179 that you can ask your accountant about. But now is the time. We just wanted to get out in front of you so everybody is reminded. And also remember that at Fuller Ford, we do lifetime free oil changes as long as you own that truck when you buy retail and you buy out of stock.